କରିଦିଏ ଟିକେ
ମତେ ପଠେଇଦ।
ସମସ୍ତ ଇଏରେ ଅପଲୋଡ ହଉଛି କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଲିଙ୍କ୍ସରେ ଅପଲୋଡ ହେଇଯିବ।
ଏକ୍ଜାମ କର୍ଣ୍ଣରରେ।
ହୁଁ ହଉ स्टार्ट करिए हमें स्टीरियो केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गोटे वर्ड अच्छी जोटा जानवा नेसेसरी दैट इज स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट व्हाट इज स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट एनीवन व्हाट इज स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट कहीं भी किसी भी वो अनुभव
ଭାଇ ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଠିକ ରେ ଜାଣିନି ଭାଇ ତେଣୁ କହୁନି।
देखो एक्चुअली तो लिखुछ ना टिके टिके किसी भी लिख है
ହଁ
खाली
ଭାଇ
पेपर
ସବୁ ଲେଖୁଛି।
तो एक्चुअली स्टीरियो केमिस्ट्री इज द branch of chemistry that that deals with uh, the spatial arrangement of molecules, atoms, or simply I can say what is the meaning of spatial arrangement here? It is deals with arrangement of arrangement of atoms or molecules. Okay, or molecules in three-dimensional space. Actually, space itself means three-dimensional, so I can in 3D or space. And what is special arrangement? Special arrangement is the arrangement of atoms or molecules in 3D space. Okay. Now, okay. So here the isomers. What are isomers? First of all, you will be familiar about it. What are isomers? Anyone? Sure.
By the structures which have same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers.
Huh. Structures. Very good. Structures with same molecular formula. Basically, I want to say they have the same molecular formula, different arrangement. Okay, same molecular formula, different arrangement. Now, isomers are of different type. One is chain isomer, then functional isomer. Here, what we are talking about are geometrical isomers or basically stereoisomers. So, what are stereoisomers? So, stereoisomers, let me write it. Stereoisomers uh, deal or sorry, stereoisomers are the isomers that differ with uh, okay that differ in spatial arrangement atoms or molecules in space. I'll clear it. First you write it. Okay. लिख लो. ହୁଁ. ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଏଠି ପଢିବା enantiomer ବିଷୟରେ. So what are enantiomers? enantiomer ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କନସେପ୍ଟ କହିବି. ଜାଣିଥିବ ବେସିକ 5 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିବ. chirality and chiral center. So what is a chiral center? Anyone?
भाई गोटे कार्बन को अलग अलग ग्रुप ଲାଗିଥିବ
ଗୋଟେ कार्बन ହଁ ମାନେ anything ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ center or any molecule or any atom to which different groups are attached is a chiral center. Let me name those groups A, B, C, D. Or A, B, E, D. So if I take a carbon and to it hydrogen, OH, Cl, and another methyl group is attached. So this carbon is a chiral carbon because it consists of 4 different groups. Okay. So this is what is chirality. Now, what happens if a carbon is chiral, or I can say if there are chiral centers present in any compound. Let me take an example. Say this is chiral carbon. Okay, you can easily observe 4 different groups are attached. So this is the chiral carbon. What will happen is that they will show some property which is obviously due to this stereoisomerism, that if you form mirror images of them, so they can form a compound. Like if I form a mirror image, you can clearly observe this is a mirror image of this. So if one of the compound is dextrorotatory, so another will be levorotatory. Levo. Okay, another one will be levorotatory. So what is the basic meaning of this? See, this is the plane of polarized light. Okay. So what will happen if this is the plane of polarized light, and we will pass this light through a solution. Okay. Wait. This is a solution. Okay. So when we pass the light through this solution, then two things can happen. either the straight lines here, either the straight lines here, they will uh, get deviated to the right side, or there can be a case where they can deviate to the left side, and such property or such isomers are also sometimes called as optical isomers, or sometimes you can say that these compounds are optically active. So which compounds are optically active? Basically, if here I said this solution is particularly optically active because it can either uh, rotate the plane of polarized light. This is polarized light. Why polarized? Because all the particles of light, they are aiming to a aiming towards one direction. So they will either rotate the plane of polarized light towards right. Here uh, this was the original light, they have rotated to right. So here rotated to wait, लिखो था कहता रहे right. Such compounds are called as dextrorotatory, dextrorotatory, rotatory. Okay, and if here, as we see, they have turned left, which will call as levorotatory. Okay, so here is a clear picture you can see, right? I think dextrorotatory and levorotatory part are clear. Again, if I have to make you clear that why basically uh, if there is a chiral center present in a carbon chain, if there is a chiral center present in a carbon chain, then it is sufficient to say that it will be optically active. Okay, of course there are some exceptions, I will tell them. So let we have a carbon compound like tetrahedral manner, where of course you know, two of, this is A, this is B, this is coming out of the plane, say, this is called dash and wedge structure. This is a dash, this means it's coming out of plane, say this is X, and the one that is going into the plane, I name it Y. Okay, so okay, so if I make a mirror image of this particular structure, what I will get is if I'm not wrong, this is solid X, this is again on the plane, and this is wedged, so this is Y. Okay, Okay. Now, if I rotate this particular thing by 180 degree, what will happen? You see, if I rotate this particular thing by 180 degree, if I rotate this particular thing by 180 degree, uh, no significant change will take place except what will happen that this AB
भाई
will,
इन्वर्जन होगा कि
huh?
भाई इन्वर्जन होगा कि
Inversion?
हाँ
ना inversion inversion कोई भी टेंशन नहीं. What will happen that see if something is coming out of the plane and another vector is going into the plane, you can imagine, and if we rotate it by 180 degree, the vector going into the plane, it will come out of the plane, and the vector coming out of the plane will go into the plane. I think it is clear. If not clear, you can ask. So what will happen here? Y was going into the plane, so it will come out of the plane, and X will go into the plane. And clearly you can see that, sorry, another mistake. I rotated it by 180 degree, so B will come to this side, and this will be the, okay, wait. This is Y, this is X. So here it is, I think, clear that these two structures are somewhat looking similar to each other, but still they are not same, because in this particular case X is coming out of the plane, but here it is going into the plane, and here Y was going into the plane, but it is coming out of the plane. So this 180 degree rotation, I think, if you are not clear, you just imagine that this particular shape, you imagine, okay, wait 1 minute. Tetrahedron. So look at this particular shape, you can understand. Okay, look at this was the particular structure which I drew. Okay, so you look at this structure. So what will happen if I rotate this structure by 180 degree? Say what I'm doing, I'm rotating it by 180 degree. So what will happen is, you see, this thing will, this particular thing, it will come to this side, and the one that is coming out of the plane, it will go into the plane, and the one that is coming out of, into the plane, that will come out of the plane. You can imagine by such structure. Okay, but you think if I would have taken this X and Y to be same, okay, if X and Y would have been same, so what would have taken place, that these two structures would have been identical, because you see X and Y are basically the same molecule. So this structure and this structure would then be identical, and so both will be levorotatory or dextrorotatory, which is not possible, because see, this structure, particularly if I'm talking about this structure, it uh, is a stereoisomer of this structure. Stereoisomer means there is just difference in spatial arrangement. But so this if this is levorotatory, this would be dextrorotatory or something like that. But if X and Y would be same, then these two structures would be identical, which violates our principle. So a compound can be optically active only if there is a chiral center present in it. Okay. And the exception which I was discussing about, you imagine a carbon chain. Say, this is a carbon chain. H, OH. So this particular carbon is a chiral center, yes or no? Yes, because it consists of 4 different groups. One is hydrogen, one is OH, one is Cl, and another is this particular group. And similarly, if I say this carbon, again it is chirally active because it consists of 4 different groups. One is hydrogen, one is OH, one is Cl, and another is this particular group. So here we have 2 chiral centers present in our carbon chain, but it is not very hard to observe that you can get internal uh, plane or mirror which will bisect the carbon chain into 2 equal halves. So considering if this side of the carbon chain will be levorotatory, denoted by minus, then this side will be dextrorotatory, denoted by plus. So overall, the plane of polarized light first, uh, the first part will turn it to right by x degree, say, and then the second part will turn it to left by x degree. So plus x minus x is 0. So the plane of polarized light will be as it is. And when we get a solution containing 50% of dextrorotatory plus 50% of levorotatory, we call it,
racemic mixture.
yeah, we call it racemic mixture. ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଇଜି ଅଛି, ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ବାର ବାର କହିଦଉଛି ଥରେ କେନା ଥରେ ଜାଣିନିଅ, ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି ତମ ପାଖରେ କେନେ ତୁମେ ସର୍ଭରରେ ପଢିବ।
By racemic mixture টা optically inactive no?
Optically inactive, okay, because 50% of it will turn the polarized light to right and 50% will turn it to left. Okay. Yes. Now another doubt was asked by Bibu, that there are 2 compounds given, and which has a more stable carbocation. Okay. For this we have to read SN1, SN2. So we will first finish that, and then we will come to that doubt. Okay. Okay. So I will first discuss the SN2 mechanism. This is not a reaction, basically it's a mechanism. Of course, every mechanism is and of course every mechanism is derived from equation. So let me write you an equation. Let there is a compound CH3X plus OH minus. So here actually OH minus is negative in charge, and we know if something is negative in charge, we call it as a
Liberate.
nucleophile.
Nucleophile.
Okay, nucleophile means nucleus loving. Negative charge means it will love the nucleus, which is positive in charge, so nucleophile. Positive charge means it will love the negative charge, which is electrophile. Okay, so what will happen here? Actually, I can write two elementary reactions. If you are familiar with that chemical kinetics chapter, so what will happen first? You see, we have 3 hydrogens attached to this particular carbon, and OH minus is approaching. So first what will happen, that intermediate reaction will take place. Okay, intermediate reaction will take place. So what is that intermediate reaction? That anyone can say it will be better?
Sir, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏଟା approach କରୁଥିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ lead କରୁଥିବ.
So what will happen? X minus will be leaving the compound,
ଆଉ
and
OH minus.
OH minus will be approaching the compound simultaneously. Okay,
The transition state.
simultaneously. This is a complex, not transition state. This is a complex. Okay, so this is a slow step. Okay, this is a slow step. And the second elementary reaction which I will talk about is that this particular complex, which is nothing but we have 3 hydrogens attached to this particular carbon, and X minus is leaving, OH minus is approaching. Okay, so it will get converted into and of course Cl minus. So you see what happened here is that this OH minus cannot attack from this side. Why it cannot attack from this side? Because anyone? Because this X
Because they are bulky groups.
Yes, very good. So X is a bulky group, and due to a property which we discussed earlier called as
Steric.
steric hindrance. So for this very property, what will happen that this OH minus cannot attack from this side. It will attack from the back. And that is why this intermediate reaction took place, and later we got OH attached to the left side of the carbon atom, where halogen was attached to the right side. So actually the configuration is inversed. Okay, the functional group was attached to right side, now it is attached to left side. So as the configuration is inversed, we call it as inversion. Inversion in configuration. Okay, And okay, this is done basically. Uh, this is a fast step. And when we talk about the rate of reaction, we know that rate of reaction depends upon the slowest or fastest, the slowest step always. Okay, so here the slowest step is this particular first step. So the rate of reaction will depend upon CH3X and OH minus. So it is not very hard to observe that we have got two different molecules in our rate equation. So the reaction is bimolecular. And that is why we call it SN2. This bimolecular gives this 2. Okay. Okay. Now we will discuss again this SN2 mechanism in next chapter. Anyone can tell which part? In which part we have SN2 mechanism in alcohol chapter, particularly near ether? Anyone? तुम कहते रिवीजन करछ केते रिवीजन करिनो जणा पड़ जाउछ एथरे मधुस्मिता कहि
By
परियो
reaction with HL.
ठीक 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 मधुस्मिता अछु ना पळिछु ए
अच्छी
किस करछ अछि खाता लिखुछु ना किछि
हाँ
हल्का फल्का लिख जहाँ जानिछु लिखते होबनी जहाँ जाननो टिके टिके लिखि दे से पे पूरा फास्ट फास्ट कहि चलछे okay now I will talk about this SN1 reaction. What will happen, see, this is bit important. Say there are R1, R2, R3, be the three groups attached to carbon. So what will happen in this reaction? The first reaction it will take place. What is the first reaction that will take place? That R1, 2, 3. This is haloalkane, and this will get converted into what is this, Anubhav?
कार्बनियम आयन
Huh? Carbocation. Why cation? Because positive charge goes to cathode, so cation. Okay. Okay. So this is again a slow step, and then what will happen? I'm doing it here only. Then OH minus. It is free. It is devoid of any bulky group. It can attack from this side also. It can attack from this side also. So it will give you two different structures. One will be where the configuration is retained, and another will be the configuration is inversed. So here you see the functional group was towards the right side. Here it is towards the right side, but here it is towards the left side. So what has taken place here, that here inversion has taken place. Wait. in particular this case, inversion has taken place. Sorry, my mistake. Retention has taken place because you see here also right side, here also right side of carbon. So here retention has taken place. Okay, and here you see left side, so inversion. In
by SN2 ରେ ତ inversion ହୁଏନି
SN2 रे inversion ही हुए, retention हुए नहीं.
एसन में ना रेसिमाइजेशन है ना.
हाँ, तो retention भी है ला, inversion भी है ला, so retention plus inversion, it will lead to a racemic mixture. And not fully racemic mixture, partial racemic mixture. Okay, so clearly you can see this is, if this is levorotatory, the other can be dextrorotatory, and vice versa. Okay, and now you can clearly see okay. So what I mean by partial racemization, that this inversion is slightly more than this retention. Okay, you can write it to impress the examiner. Okay, done. So another thing you can observe here due to bulky group, if the bulky group will increase in this side also, then what will happen? It will be more tough for the OH minus to attack. So more the bulkier groups, lower is the reaction. So you can clearly say for SN2 reaction, 0 degree means with no R group. Here it is 0 degree because all the three are hydrogen. 0 degree is more reactive than 1 degree, than 2 degree, than 3 degree, and sorry, no quaternary salt cannot be formed here. In case of amines, it will be formed. Okay, that is separate thing. And here you see the slow step consists of only one reactant. So clearly I can write that rate is equal to K into this R1, R2, R3, Cx. Okay. So one molecule, so unimolecular. Or okay, and here you see that 3 degree will be more stable than 2, than 1, than 0 degree. This is a bit important. You should remember this. Why it is important? Because you see here we have a positive charge on the carbon atom, and we know that the R groups are plus I groups. Okay, plus inductive effect. So what they will do, they will donate electrons, not donate, they will push the electron pair away from them. So what will happen? This particular carbon needs electron or needs negative charge, and these are pushing those negative charge. So one type of the stability increases. But if we decrease the R group, the stability will decrease. Okay, more the R group, more electrons will be pushed away towards the positive carbon or carbocation, which needs negative charge. So more will be the stability. So therefore, it is clear to observe that tertiary has the higher stability and 0 degree has the lowest stability in SN1 reaction. And now we can solve this particular question. Here, what is there, that this is a carbocation, this is a carbocation, but the difference is yes, the difference is which will be more stable. That is our question that we have to know. Anyone with any answer? Which will be more stable? Which will be more stable? A or B? Madhusmita, yes, anyone? Himadri, Tarana, Stiki, Asini. Himadri, Himadri, are you using WhatsApp and Instagram in background?
No, sir.
I thought.
No.
Okay, give the answer. কি কইব কিছু ବି ଗୋଟେ guess କର
A.
ନା A ହବନି B ହବ ତାର reason ଅଛି ମଧୁସ୍ମିତା କହିପାରିବୁ reason ଟା କିଏ କହିପାରିବ reason ଟା ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି କି ଆମେ ଯେ दूर ଯିବା inductive effect ସେତେ କମି କମି ଯିବ କହିଥିଲି କି ମାନେ ଯଦି ଏଇଠି inductive effect delta ହେଲା for example ये push କରୁଛି electron ନା तो ଯଦି ଏଇଠି inductive effect delta ହେଲା ଏଠି double delta ହବ ଏଠି triple delta ହବ inductive effect ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କମି କମି ଯାଏ so we have to choose a place where the inductive effect is maximum and of course it is clear from the picture that if this is methyl group this will be the place where the inductive effect is maximum because it is just adjacent to it. So that is why only B is the answer, A is not the answer. Just remember, the more far you go from the functional group or R group in a carbon chain, the less will be the inductive effect upon the carbon or carbocation formed. Here we will
Like
get the
minus I effect na?
I effect, only inductive effect na? Plus I effect. This plus I effect will be maximum in the just adjacent carbocation if formed. And as we move far away from this methyl group, the inductive effect will keep on decreasing. So, so it is very clear that this will be the answer. Okay. This is done. SN1, SN2. So it's a bit important.
ବୁଝିହେଲାନି
ବୁଝିହେଲାନି ଓକେ ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କି ଦେଖେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ନଉଛି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ନଉଛି CH3 CH2 CH2 CH CH3 this will be more stable or this will be more stable if I'm considering this as a functional group or this is a functional group, anything. Okay, both are functional group. Here no functional group. So what will happen that this particular CH3 it pushes electron, it is a plus I group. You take any. And here in this case, we see this CH3 is closer, so we ignore this. We take this CH3 only. Okay. So कौन होची देखो तो इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट एठी यार जेतिकी हबो एठी कमी जीवो एठी आहुरी कमी जीवो more the number of delta less is inductive effect because delta is less than 1 and we know if we multiply 0.1 with 0.1 we will get 0.01 which is less than 0.1 so delta is less than delta simple thing so like this it goes so हमको inductive effect maximum दरकार because we want to neutralize or sort of stabilize this positive charge राजेश्वरी कह कोठी maximum inductive effect मिलुची मते ए कार्बन पाखे मिलुची ना ए कार्बन पाखे मिलुची
फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट तो जदि मो कार्बोकैटायन टा सेठी होबो मु इजिली हालांकि एठी क्वेश्चन एमिति होबनी एठी उडा अलगा ग्रुप लगैते होबो इउरा साइकिल लगैते होबो that is separate thing say here it is benzene is there say here it is benzene ring okay so this end is closed I have to focus on this end only तो जोठी मैक्सिमम मोर इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट मिलुची मोर सेही कार्बन टा मोर जदी होबो कार्बोकैटायन ताले मोर स्टेबिलिटी बेसी होबो the more far I go the less stability I will get okay so this is the answer this is more stable okay let us proceed next time stereochemistry organic division integration simple chemical reaction I will discuss here okay so a simple chemical reaction that is you all know if I take CH2Cl CH3 if I take two medium in one I take KOH with water in one I take KOH with C2H5OH so here just say me the product what will happen here in A okay सौभाग्य आंसर टा कहो कि ना आसेन जदि कहो आसेन मते दिव्यांशु
KOH aqueous ना alcoholic
ସେଇଟା ତ ମୁଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଲି ନା
ଭାଇ କୁछ केडा
हाँ।
एटा कहबे तो
double
ହଁ
bond
ଏଇଟା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟା କହ ଏଇ यार ଏଇଟା
तो अल्कालाइन केओएच एटा हबो
एरा अल्कालाइन है अल्कोहलिक
अल्कोहलिक केओएच तो एटा हि जो
आइदर कहबो अल्कालाइन
PL
इथानल नले हां देखो कि सब
PL जगह रे OH लग जो खाली
एटा जानछु
केडा
अल्कोहलिक के छले कोन हुए
double bond
वेरी गुड
कंफ्यूज
No, no, elimination.
दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट एलिमिनेशन मधु ता नाम ता मते कहो ओ एलिमिनेशन
भाई एटा CH2
CH2
ना मधुस्मिता मते नाम ता कहो रिएक्शन नाम ता कोन एलिमिनेशन कोन दिदा को कहो
ए बीटा हाइड्रोजन
बीटा एलिमिनेशन ऐसा कथा नहीं
मैं डबल बॉन्ड CH2 हबो
और देखना टू बीटा कौन पे देखो this is the alpha carbon because it is joined to the functional group so the carbon joined to alpha carbon is beta carbon and hydrogen is removed from beta carbon you see you have 3 hydrogen here 2 hydrogen so hydrogen is removed from beta carbon and chlorine is removed from alpha carbon so You can say beta elimination reaction or alpha dehalogenation reaction. Everything is correct. But beta elimination is given in book. Okay. Alpha dehalogenation is not wrong. Okay. Okay. Again, what will be this answer? Saubhagya? Saubhagya? अरे माइक डाउन कर माधुरी आंसर टा
पता नहीं।
वेरी गुड ब्रिजेश ब्रिजेश क्लास हमको सुई जाइछु ना किस
ना
ताने आंसर टा कम होते कोन हबो
कोडा एटा CH3CH2Cl KOH टा तो
KOH water
एटा CH3CH2OH
सो तुमे देखो तुम प्रॉब्लम कोन हैला तुमे दुईटा जिंस तुमे पढिचो गोटे होची एक्वस KOH गोटे अल्कोहलिक KOH so why are you getting confused this is aqueous KOH what is aqueous anything dipped in water is the aqueous solution of that particular thing so here I have dipped KOH in water so this is aqueous KOH okay similarly no wait a minute similarly here KOH is dipped in ethanol ethanol is of course alcohol so it is alcoholic KOH don't get confused okay then a simple thing I will discuss three simple reactions one is Sandmeyer reaction one is Gattermann reaction okay first Sandmeyer reaction what is Sandmeyer reaction I will
Diazonium salt with CuCl2.
yeah benzene diazonium salt diazo means azo means nitrogen two nitrogen so diazo this is benzene diazonium salt I will react it with Cu2Cl2 with HCl and I will get chlorobenzene as major product with HCl and N2 released as gases. So how this particular benzene diazonium salt can be formed from benzene? This is an important reaction. If you don't know, you just write it in somewhere in your copy. So let this is benzene. I want to form benzene diazonium salt. Can anyone guide me through the process?
HNO2.
भाई NaNO2 और HCl
From benzene, Sahil. Look. Can anyone guide me through the whole process?
Cl and HNO.
No. Cl and HMU cannot do
NH2
the same here.
NH2 କରିକି डायजोटाइजेशन କରି କହିବା परिबा ना
କେମିତି ଲଗେଇବେ NH2 ମୁଁ?
first
First I will add NO2. Okay?
NO2 plus HCl.
First I will add concentrated HNO3
NH3 ପକେଇଲେ NH2 ହବନି aniline ହବନି
in concentrated H plus. Here I am taking H2SO4. So what will happen? That NO2 will get attached here and then we will reduce it in tin with HCl medium. Of course we know that tin with HCl will form SnCl4 with 4 nascent hydrogen and the 4 nascent hydrogen will replace this O2. Okay. H2 and 2 will be attached. Okay, this is a 3-block question. Okay, we'll discuss the separate process. And here, of course, NH2 will be formed. And now, what everyone was telling that we can add NaNO2
Plus HCl.
NaNO2 plus HCl So what will happen when I get NaNO2 plus HCl? It will react to give HONO plus NaCl. And this HONO is nothing but nitrous acid. Okay. Okay. And what will happen in Getterman's reaction? Anyone?
हेलो भाई कौन पढ़ोच कि
कौन?
हेलो हेलो हेलो
कौन होला?
हाँ भाई आ आगु किछि पढ़ेछ कि गोटे बाहर को जाइथिली
भल बाहर को आसे सैंडमर रिएक्शन पड़े.
ओहो
Diagonal process CO or HCl.
Same. Just you replace Cu to Cl2 with just U. Basically, I told you in a funny way that Getterman was a poor person. He couldn't afford Cu to Cl2, so he used Cu, and still he got result.
ଭାଇ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବହିରେ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଖାଲି CuCl ବି ଦେଇଥିଲା ସାଣ୍ଡମିୟର।
हाँ नहीं परिवार है Cu to Cl2 same proportion, no? You can take, no problem. Don't get confused. This HCl is not this HCl. This hydrogen attached with this X. So better if I write here HX. Else you will get confused. Okay. Okay. Then another two small reaction. One is of course Woods reaction. So you take 2 moles of any alkyl halide, you react it with, I will ask someone, I will pick up random names. 2 moles of Na with unary. Isomixade. Okay. Answer ko. Hello.
ଭାଇ କଣ କହିଲେ ଶୁଣାଗଲାନି।
ତତେ ଡାକିଲି ମୁଁ। ଦିବ୍ୟାଂଶ
CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2 NaCl.
So what will happen? NaCl will be removed. So CH3 CH3 खालटारे क्लास करोनी क्लास करियर नहीं कौन जॉइन Woods reaction ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଅଛି fatigue
ହଁ ଭାଇ ଫିଟିଂ।
ସୌଭାଗ୍ୟ ନୋଟ ଟା पूरा लिखि ଦେଇଛୁ
हाँ हाँ हाँ
ଆଜିକା କ୍ଲାସ ର ବି पूरा ଲେଖିଦବୁ ଦେଇକି ମତେ ପଠେଇଦବୁ ହେଲା ୱାଇଫାଇ
बाइफिनाइल प्लस
ଓ ଭାଇ ହେଲା ସେମିତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିବ Woods fatigue that is remix Woods fatigue
Chlorobenzene
हाँ
plus 2Na plus ClCH3 in presence of dry ether.
oh very good I forgot no dry ether okay dry ether कौन भाई So this is another method of preparation of solvent. Okay. And riddle craft and all I will tell you later. Now we will do some questions and we will end up. ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି question କର ଟିକେ ମତେ answer ଟା କୁହ ହେଲା ତ this is a question I will give. Okay, PL2. First question. Second question. First solve करो solve କରୁଥାଅ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ question ଦଉଛି ଭାବିତେ ଦେ ଟିକେ solve କରୁଥାଅ
ଭାଇ 3 ନମ୍ବର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଟା କଣ ଲାଗୁଛି
although chlorine is a minus I group still it is the ortho para director ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇମି question ତୁ tension କରି ନଉଛୁ ऐसे क्वेश्चन ना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर टा मते को जल्दी हमारा 5 मिनट अच्छी 5 मिनट फिनिश करिया 5 मिनट फिनिश करिया
भाई बेंजीन सीएच सीएल और सीएच3
ओके ये कहला साहिल कहला এটা ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ क्वेश्चन ଟା जेई रे बहुत थर आछि एच एल एच 3 आउ गुटे अच्छा ACL टा ए कार्बन रे केने लागिला ए कार्बन रे केने लागिला से जेटा कहछि ठीक कहछि हला तो मु पचारछि ACH टा ए कार्बन रे केने लागिला एतरे केने लागिला नै मधुस्मिता
এটা
हिमाद्री
2 बेसिस टेबल होगा
हिमाद्री
डिग्री के लिए
वेरी गुड डिग्री के
हाँ
लिए
डिग्री के लिए ना
बिकॉज देखो एटी होचे ना 2 डिग्री ना ए कार्बन टा होचे 2 डिग्री कार्बन and I already told you 2 degree carbon are more stable 2 degree carbocations are more stable carbocation 2 degree carbocation are more stable than 1 degree carbocation okay so this is your answer okay so what are ambident nucleophile example
Ambident nucleophile.
CnNO2
Guys, Indian now NC.
SCN माइनस और SNO2
CN minus और NO2 CN minus टा NC भी ही परिवो हला ଆଉ NO2 टा ONO भी ही परिवो why they are ambident nucleophile because they have
double nature
double nature they have multiple sites through which they can attach to a they have multiple sites through which they can attach to a central atom okay so they are ambident nucleophiles ambident means they have multiple nature or ambident means multiple in cricket there is a term called ambidextrous bowler means he can bowl from right hand and left hand as well so ambident means multiple okay multiple characteristics now although Cl is a minus I group still it is a orthopara director we all know that if a group is plus I then it is a orthopara director means what is orthopara director I am saying you if anyone doesn't know say this is OH is a plus I group we all know it donates electron to release H plus so if we react it in a concentrated HNO3 or sorry okay concentrated H plus and dilute HNO3 medium concentrated H plus H2SO4 or anything you can take with dilute HNO3 medium then what will take place either the NO2 will join at ortho position this is ortho position this is the functional group second position is ortho then this meta then this para again meta again ortho so this is either it will join at ortho position or it will join at para position but if a group is minus I group then it will be meta director for example of minus I group anyone के कोई परिवनी एते बड़ा एग्जांपल कोई गोटे भी कोई परिवनी
मैं CH3
CH3 टा माइनस है ग्रुप ना सेतेबेलु प्लस है मु कोन कहितली मैक्सिमम जो डबल बॉन्ड होथिबो सेटा माइनस है
भाई भाई कीटोन आ कार्ब
CHO COOH, uh, NH3 plus, aniline ion form करे NO2
halogen group
halogen group टा तो ambidextrous ना तो कहूनी तो ambidextrous माने मुझे ता माने सेटा न माने तारो मल्टीपल रोल अछि मु बुझौची कोन तो एठी नॉर्मली एटा जदि रहिला माइनस आई ग्रुपलेट CHO तो मु सेम रिएक्शन करमी H plus concentrated and dilute HNO3 so I will get ortho meta position. This is meta position and NO2 will NO2 will get attached at the meta position, right? Okay, so I was here. I was telling that Cl minus is a minus I group, means it attracts electron just like CHO does, but still it is a ortho para director. Anyone? Why?
Why? Because it has plus R effect as well as minus I effect, but minus I effect dominates over plus R effect.
Plus R effect dominates. नॉन केमती होबो
हाँ भाई सेटा मु टिके उल्टा कहि देली सर
plus R effect. See, due to plus R effect, your answer should be like this. You will find it everywhere. So due to plus R or resonance, or you can say due to resonance, which is plus R resonance effect, it donates electron. And plus R effect dominates over minus I effect. So that is why Cl is a orthopara director, but it's according to theory it should be a meta director. Anyways, answer about the jaldi.
CH3 CH2CN plus NaCl तापरे CH3 CH2NC plus NaCl HCl तापरे CH3
तापरे CH3 CH2ON
NO2
plus KX.
Okay, I made a mistake. This is
AgNO2
and this is CH3 CH2
H2NO2 plus Ag.
So is this correct? Anyone?
भाई AgNO2 टा उल्टा हैला सेटा हबो NO2 आओ
सेटा देखुथिली सेटा तो ONO कहि कि पारे गलु मु सेटा मु लेखि देली भी सही पाए
ना सेटे भूल लिख दे एटे KNO2 लिखतले ना मु.
So you have to always remember CN and NO2 with Ag form covalent compounds. So they normally form bonds with here with carbon, here with oxygen. So these bonds are tough to break. So that is why only site left is the nitrogen atom through which these compounds can attach. So in AgCN also the Ag and C bond, it is unbreakable because it is a covalent bond. So this particular nitrogen comes and get attached to this carbon, and here also this nitrogen comes and get attached to the carbon. But in case of NaCN or KCN, NO2, KNO2, these are prevalently these are ionic compounds. So we can easily get Cn minus, and if we get Cn minus, then of course Cn will get attached to the carbon chain, not Nc, because carbon-carbon bond is more stable. Why carbon-carbon bond is more stable? Because of a property of carbon, which we call as
catenation.
Catenation. Okay. So this is essentially done, and this is very easy. You can say OH SOCl2 again on the same sort of thing.
CH3 CH हाँ
2CH3 CH2Cl.
Cl,
Then
B,
it is Finkelstein
Puts reaction,
reaction.
Puts
Puts
reaction,
Wood
reaction.
reaction.
CH3,
CH3,
CH2,
CH3,
CH2, CH3. Now, so
CH3.
don't say anyone. Uh, I will ask Divyansu. Name C and D. Quick. If Divyansu cannot, then Saubhagya will tell. Okay. Divyansu, can you? Yes or no?
No.
Very good. Saubhagya, what will be C? What will be D? This is the reaction I am writing here. H mu in the presence of Cl2.
CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2Cl.
Major product. Okay. Saubhagya,
by CH3 CH2 CH CH3Cl.
CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2Cl. This is not the major product. This is minor product. Which is
CH3 CH2 CHCl CH3.
Yes, that is the major product, which is C. Why? Again, the same reason.
Hydrogen.
No, not hydrogen. You are doing doubt.
2-degree carbon.
Yes, very good.
Same.
Here it is a 2-degree carbon. You see, again, which reaction? SN1
SN1.
or not SN1 actually. Essentially, you can say the basic property. The more plus I group, higher stability of what? Carbocation. Here we know that this is a 2-degree carbocation. If carbocation form, this will be 2 degree, this will be 2 degree, this will be 3 degree. Sorry, my mistake. This will be 1 degree. Why 1 degree? Because only one carbon. Okay, wait. This is 1 degree because only one carbon can be attached, and this is also 1 degree. So higher or more plus I group attached, more will be the stability. So easily we can say that this Cl if attached to this carbon will be more stable. So clearly this is the major product. Okay. So I will quickly recap what we read today, and I will say it. I'll just recap the whole chapter. So this is the complete introduction. We don't have to go here. In classification, we classified the haloalkanes on the basis of the number of halogen atoms, then the nature of the alpha carbon, then we also classified the this is dihalides into vicinal, geminal, and terminal dihalides, and then we proceed to the IUPAC nomenclature and the common name. Common name basically you will get in the conversion, where you will be asked to like
Bye. Hello.
अरे
say the preference of COH greater than कौन lecture SO3H ना?
SO3H, sulfonyl group. Okay, so you will be asked like हाँ
डाउट अछि
हाँ कह जल्दी.
जो गोटे एनसीटी क्वेश्चन थिला कि हाईएस्ट डाइपोल मोमेंट सर आर क्लास जेटा कहितला माने सर रीजन टा कोन कहितला उतरा कहितला
डाइपोल मोमेंट कौन?
तार हाईएस्ट माने एमती CH2Cl2 CHCl3 आ CCl4 रो हाईएस्ट डाइपोल मोमेंट कहार
मते आउथरे को क्वेश्चन टा जो सब वीडियो देखुथबो टेक एंड नेट गोटे चैनल आइ नहले मिकुल भाई रो कहानी जॉइन हला माने मते कहिबो.
हाँ
कौन को
CH2Cl2
CH2Cl2
CHCl3
CHCl3
और CCl4
CCl4 कार हाईएस्ट डाइपोल मोमेंट होबो तो
हाँ
मते कहो यांको स्ट्रक्चर कोन होबो tetrahedral tetrahedral easy to say so let this is the structure of CH2Cl2 this is the structure of CHCl3 and this is the structure of CCl4. Clearly you can see that in CCl4 the dipole moment will be the lowest because if these are projecting upwards, this chlorine will be projecting downwards, so there will be a net cancellation. Similarly, here you see these two are projecting upwards, so there will be a dipole moment to this side, like this. Okay, wait, this side. And here also the dipole moment will be upwards. But we can make different shape, and of course if you try any shape you will get highest dipole moment for this chloroform. So this will have the highest dipole moment, then this, then okay. एठी किसी कैंसल हे होची बुझ पाछ एठी किसी कैंसल हे परनी देख कोंडी कैंसल होची एबे हां जदि जणे कहिबो जदि जणे कहिबो कि मु कोन करिबी मु एठी Cl लगेबी एठी H लगेबी अगेन द सेम स्ट्रक्चर एठी कैंसल किछि होनी एठी तीन जण ऐड हे कि
माने
कोपटे
हाइड्रोजन
देखेबे
एटम से कैंसिल हो जिवो
हां एमन कोपटे देखेबे हां पता चल
भाई ये एग्जाम आइडिया रे भाई लिखा है CH2 Cl2 रो हाईएस्ट डाइपोल मोमेंट अछि
हाईएस्ट ना ना CH3 रहबो ना हम एठी देखिले
ना एग्जाम में लिखा है CH2 Cl2 रो हाईएस्ट डाइपोल मोमेंट
ओके
हां एग्जाम
ना 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 गोटे जिंस भूल हे गला भूल कोनटा हे गला यांको भीतर एंगल टा केते 109 डिग्री ना
हाँ टेट्राहेड्रल
तो कैंसल हे जीवो केना भाब तीनटा एंगल अछि तो जदि तू मिसेइबू तीनटा को ग्रेटर देन 180 होउची ना माने से माने कैंसल आउट
108
करिवे 180 109 प्लस 109 कैसे हो ग्रेटर देन 180 होची ना तो तो से ग्रेटर देन 180 एथि पई कहली मु माने सिंपल लॉजिक टा माने जदी देखो जदी ग्रेटर देन 180 न हेला एंगल टा ताले दीटा वेक्टर कोन हेबे ऐड हेबे जदी 180 हे गला दीटा वेक्टर कैंसिल हेबे आ जदी फेर पुनी ग्रेटर देन 180 हे गला ताले एपटे आ गुटे वेक्टर अछि तो अगेन कैंसिल हेबे तो सिंपल वेक्टर एठी काम तो एठी हां CHCl2 रो हाईएस्ट होबो बिकॉज़ एठी टोटली कैंसिल होबोनी एठी टोटली कैंसिल होबोनी एठी किछि कैंसिल होबो एंड एठी तो माने जीरो ही हिजबो जीरो नो बट टेंड्स टू जीरो नियरली जीरो ओके आउ कहारे किछि डाउट समु आउट के जल्दी रिकैप कर दे
नहीं इठी कोन माने एग्जाम में देखछि कि सिमेट्रिकल हैज जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट
जीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट मु भी कहली हेले जीरो होबोनी टेंड्स टू जीरो जीरो होबोनी केबे भी बुझिलु क्लोरोफॉर्म रो ना सॉरी CCl4 रो जीरो टेंड्स टू जीरो बट नेवर फुल जीरो ओके ठीक अछि मिकुन भाई आसले बोलते हेलो मिकुन भाई जॉइन कर लगी
हाँ जॉइन कर ली तू छाड़े
हाँ हाँ
तू सेउटी छाड़ दे मैं अच्छे
ओके I will discuss in next class bye
थैंक यू
थैंक यू